Hello, little wanderers. I'm excited to see you today. Are you ready to learn something new?
I am a sports person and I play cricket. Can you guess who am I? Yes, you are right. I am a cricketer. Do you know cricket is an entertainment sport that began in England as a boys' game? Later, it became an adult game and people started playing cricket around the world. Cricket is the second most popular sport in the world. The International Cricket Council or ICC is the head council of cricket with 104 countries. The 12 main member countries are Australia, England, South Africa, India, West Indies, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Zimbabwe, Bangladesh, Afghanistan, and Ireland. In India, National Cricket Academy is the head academy where Indian cricketers train. Most important tournaments are ICC Cricket World Cup, T20 World Cup, IPL or Indian Premier League, Ashes Series, Asia Cup, ICC Champions Trophy. Now, let's see how to play a cricket game. To play cricket, we need these. A cricket ground divided into outfield and infield. Cricket pitch. 6 stumps and 4 bails. 2 wickets. Bat. 2 batters. Ball. 1 bowler. 1 wicketkeeper. 9 fielders. 2 umpires. How to play cricket? Well, cricket is a bat and ball sport played by 2 teams. In one team, there are 11 cricketers. 2 teams gather to compete against each other. A coin is tossed to decide the batting and bowling teams. One team has to choose to bat, while the other team will choose to bowl. Bowling means throwing the ball towards the wicket. Batting means hitting the ball thrown by the bowler with the bat to score runs. If a batter fails to hit the ball and the ball strikes the wicket, then the batter is out. Using 11 batters, the team who scores the highest runs will win the game. I have a cool outfit. I wear a collared t-shirt, long trousers, cricket cap, spiked shoes, helmet, leg pads, gloves. The wicketkeeper uses special wicket-keeping gloves. To become a cricketer, we do a lot of training. We exercise every day. We eat healthy food and drink lots of water to keep fit. We get our training in cricket academies. There is a cricket coach who trains and teaches us the right techniques to play cricket. We also do strength training to improve our stamina. On an average, we cricketers train for 4 to 6 hours every day to improve batting, bowling and fielding. There are so many inspiring cricketers around the world. Let's see some of the most famous cricketers of all times. Sachin Tendulkar from India. Sir Donald Bradman from Australia. Jack Hobbs from England. Sir Vivian Richards from West Indies. Virat Kohli from India. Ricky Ponting from Australia. Kapil Dev from India. Brian Lara from West Indies. Sunil Gavaskar from India. Kumar Sangakkara from Sri Lanka. Charlotte Edwards from England. Elise Perry from Australia. Annette Turton Bakewell from England. Rachel Hayhoe Flint from England. Mithali Raj from India. Here are some cool facts of cricket. Sachin Tendulkar is called the god of cricket. He started playing the game when he was only 11. At 16 years of age, he played his first test match. He is one of the best batsmen in the history of cricket. Shoaib Akhtar bowled the fastest ball in the history of cricket. A cricket bat is made of willow wood. The first cricket ball was made of sheep's wool. The longest recorded cricket match lasted for 14 days. Cricket is the second most popular sport in the world, but it is not an Olympic sport. The wickets originally only had 2 stumps. Later, 3 stumps rule came up. Australians are considered as the luckiest cricketers in the world.
For more fun, explore Wonderland toys.